Every age has searched for the source of power, that invisible stream behind success, peace, health, and destiny. Some called it spirit, some called it law, others called it mind. Yet across every culture, every scripture, every philosophy, one truth refuses to disappear. Thought is the builder and belief is the key. Pause for a moment, breathe. The answers you've been chasing have never been outside of you. They have always moved quietly within, waiting for your awareness to rise high enough to hear them. You are not stepping into this lecture by accident. You are drawn here because a part of you already knows. Your mind is shaping your life. Your vibration is selecting your experiences, and the power you've been praying for is the same power that has been listening to you all along. Now we begin. There is one truth that underlies every law of success. All is mind. The universe is mental. Everything seen first existed as thought. You are a living expression of infinite intelligence, clothed in matter, moving through experience. You are not separated from the source. You are the instrument through which it expresses. When you think, the infinite thinks through you. When you imagine, the creative substance of the universe begins to mold itself into form. Every condition of your life is a mirror, reflecting the ideas you have impressed upon it. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are the architect of vibration. Each thought, each feeling, each word is a seed dropped into the boundless field of mind, and the field, impartial, mathematical, alive, brings forth whatever seed is planted. The mind of man is an extension of the mind of God. The thoughts you hold persistently, with emotion and conviction, organize energy into matter. This is the mystery that sages called the Word, the unseen force that commands the seen. The law of mentalism is not a theory. It's a description of how creation works. Your thought is not private. It radiates, vibrates, and returns multiplied. Every idea charged with feeling begins to take shape in the unseen. The subconscious mind is the builder. It takes instruction only from conviction, never confusion. It listens not to the words of your lips, but to the tone of your belief. When you affirm, "I am prosperous," yet carry fear, the fear speaks louder. Two things cannot occupy the same space. Two vibrations cannot rule one field. The law abhors a vacuum. Release contradiction and the right idea will fill the void. What you consistently think and feel becomes your frequency, and the frequency you hold determines what life must return. To see this law in motion, begin with awareness. Notice what you feed your attention to: worry or possibility, doubt or design. Each thought is an order placed with the infinite. The results you experience are simply fulfilled requests. So refine your requests, think deliberately, speak with intention. Gratitude magnetizes, complaint repels, faith commands, fear delays. The law is exact. It rewards precision, not confusion. To work with it consciously, follow the threefold rhythm of creation: thought, feeling, focus. 1. Set the image, goal setting made real. Start with one clear picture, not 10 goals. 1. The mind builds faster with focus. Decide what you want, not what you'll try to get. Write it in present tense. I am now living in harmony with my purpose. I am now earning from my creative work. I am now surrounded by peace and opportunity. Your subconscious doesn't understand future tense. It responds to now, so speak as though it's already here. Hold that picture until it feels real. This is how you tell the law what blueprint to build from. 2. Feel the picture. Visualization plus emotion. Close your eyes for 2 minutes and live inside the image. See it, hear it, feel it. If it's a business, imagine the sound of success, the clicks, the calls, the motion. If it's health, feel the energy in your body. If it's peace, imagine that calm expanding like sunlight from your chest. Emotion is the language the subconscious understands. The stronger the feeling, the faster the response. Don't fake emotion. Generate gratitude. Gratitude is creative electricity. It turns an idea into movement. 3. Speak the command. Affirmation as activation. Words are not empty. Each phrase carries vibration. Say your affirmation with confidence, rhythm, and certainty. You might start your mornings with this: I am so happy and grateful now that my thoughts are clear, my actions are aligned, and all that is necessary for my growth arrives with ease. Repeat it softly until the sound feels like truth. The goal isn't volume, it's resonance. 4. Act in harmony. Consistency plus faith in motion. Faith isn't waiting, it's moving while trusting. Every day, take one action that matches the image you're holding. If your goal is wealth, act with discipline and service. If your goal is peace, move slower, speak calmer, show the universe you're already living the vibration you've declared. The smallest daily effort creates momentum, and momentum is the bridge between imagination and manifestation. When doubt comes, don't wrestle with it. Simply say, two things cannot occupy the same space. Choose faith over fear every time. 5. Review and refine. Nightly alignment. Before sleep, reflect. What thoughts ruled my attention today? Did my actions match my vision? Your answers shape tomorrow's creation. That's the rhythm of mastery. Thought, feeling, action, reflection, adjustment. Each night you rewrite the program. Each morning you wake inside the new design. Now that you understand how the law moves, it's time to embody it. Knowing is half the bridge. Living it completes the crossing. Creation isn't a moment, it's a rhythm. Every breath, thought, and word is part of it. Sit still for a moment. Feel the quiet pulse behind your heartbeat. That's the field listening. You're never disconnected from Source. You're the instrument it plays through. When you think in harmony, the melody of life answers back. Everything you've learned leads to this practice. Gratitude joined with faith. Gratitude opens the gate. Faith keeps it open long enough for manifestation to arrive. Without gratitude, you block the flow. Without faith, you abandon the seed before it sprouts. I am so happy and grateful now that I am consciously aware of being in a positive, creative mental state. My thoughts, feelings, and actions move in harmony with infinite intelligence. The same power that sustains the stars fills my body, guides my mind, and directs my affairs. Every idea I need appears in perfect time, in perfect order, for the good of all concerned. I live in abundance, peace, health, and mastery now and forever. Repeat these words daily until they stop feeling like words and start feeling like truth. The law responds not to what you say, but to what you know. Living the realization, begin with gratitude, move with awareness, close with faith. Each practice anchors you in the rhythm of creation. This is where the 7 laws intertwine. Mentalism teaches that all is mind. Vibration keeps your thoughts alive. Correspondence mirrors inner and outer worlds. Cause and effect ensures nothing is wasted. Rhythm shows the ebb and flow of growth. Polarity reminds you contrast is the sculptor of clarity. Gender or gestation reveals that every idea ripens in its season. You don't have to force the process, you align with it. When the seed is planted, water it with attention, guard it with peace, and wait. Patience is not delay, it's confidence that creation is underway. So let this be your closing truth. You are not seeking power. You are expressing it. You are not becoming divine, you are remembering that you already are. And as gratitude rises and faith deepens, the universe fulfills its promise to mirror the image you hold in form and in fullness. My mind is a center of divine operation. The divine operation is always for expansion and fuller expression. This means the production of something beyond what has been before, something entirely new not included in the past experience, though proceeding out of it by an orderly sequence of growth. Therefore, since the divine cannot change its inherent nature, it must operate in the same manner within me, consequently in my own special world of which I am the center. It will move forward to produce new conditions always in advance of any that have gone before. So it is. Creation continues through you.